Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on doing a look with the new Ibiza palette from Bhcosmetics. This is the Take Me to Ibiza palette, and guess what? We now have a discount code with Bhcosmetics. So you can use prettygrace for some money off on Bhcosmetics, anything on their website. I really am so happy that I'm joining Bhcosmetics' family. I really enjoy all their palettes. I've been using Bhcosmetics since back in the day when I used to do all these crazy looks, and I still have their old palettes like in my makeup kit and everything. So I am so happy to be joining the Bhcosmetics family and being able to provide you guys with an affiliation code. So don't forget to use prettygrace for some money off. And today I'm going to be creating a look with their new palette. This palette is coming out tomorrow. Well, today. When you guys see the video, it will be today. And this is what the palette looks like. It is so beautiful and colorful. I already off the bat can see so many looks with this palette. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys would like to see a full, maybe like 5 videos using this palette. Let me know any suggestions of colors you guys would like for me to do. I can definitely try to get to them. And so yeah, let me bring this up close to you guys so you guys can see. It is so beautiful. It has 35 color shadow palettes, shadows. Oh my god, I don't even know why I said that. It's so pretty, has bold, glamorous eyeshadows. You will definitely enjoy these colors. So I'm gonna go ahead and create a look for you guys. I honestly don't know what I want to do. I know I want to do something very dramatic and crazy, so I'm gonna go ahead and do one eye first, and then I will do the other eye when I come back. So alright guys, so I did come out with this look right here. It's very colorful and dramatic. I wanted to celebrate this palette, and I wanted to use as many as colors I could for this look. So we're gonna go ahead and get started using the same palette. Like I said, don't forget to use my code prettygrace for some money off. So excited for that. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply a eyeshadow base or something. I'm gonna use something white. White primers always make the shadows pop a little bit more. It just helps. I just want something bright to help bring out the eyeshadows a little bit more. Without it, it'll work as well. I just want something the eyeshadows to stick to for now. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply some of this. It's a Makeup Forever Flash Color Stick. I got this when I took a Makeup Forever class, and they gave this to us. So yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this all over. You can use a concealer or whatever you like. I just want to use an eyeshadow base, white, to kind of just make the shadows pop a little bit more. I'm going to go ahead and clean this out a little bit. Maybe I applied a little bit too much. Alright, so the first color that I am going to go ahead and apply is going to be this color right here. It's like a silver with like blue specks in it. It is very pretty. I'm going to go ahead and apply this right in the inner corner of the eyes. And I'm going to spray my brush with a little bit of setting spray just so that it helps. Alright, so right now I'm not blending. I'm just guiding where I want to put all the shadows. And so I went ahead and I put that blue one right here. It is so pretty. Then I'm going to go ahead with another Morphe M22 brush, M224 brush. I'm going to apply some setting spray. I'm going to go ahead and apply this dark blue right here, and that's going to go into the outer corner. And I'm just going to apply this here. Like right now I'm not making anything perfect. I'm just guiding everything where I want it to sit. And then I will go and blend in a little bit. So I just want to make sure that I have all my colors down. Then I'm going to go back again with the first color we applied, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this again say not fallout. I forgot to put setting powder under the eyes. Alright, so moving on, the first shadow that I'm going to apply in my crease is going to be this shimmery yellow right here. And I'm using a Morphe R39 brush. I'm going to apply this right here. I kind of want it to be so when I go like this you can see it. So I'm going to apply this here. Make sure that's the color that pops when and I do have it here, but it kind of mixed with the crease color that I applied. I'll show you guys in a bit. Alright, so moving on, I'm going to go ahead and apply this orange right here. That's going to go next to that pink. And we're going to do this all over the crease. So taking my time, I'm going to go ahead and apply this here. So I'm going to take my time to blend this out. And I'm kind of bringing it down just to mix the colors that I applied on my lid and a little bit of my crease because I did go high up. So I'm going to take my time to blend this out. Grab a little bit more and reapply it. Alright, then I'm going to go with another Morphe M513 brush. I'm going to go with this pink shade right here. And that's going to go on my crease as well. So I'm going to start bringing this in where I apply the orange. And then I'm going to go ahead and grab another brush. And I'm just going to apply this like purple burgundy color. That's just gonna help me blend out the colors that I have on my crease so that it doesn't look like I have a gap there. So it's just going to help them blend together. Alright, I know it looks like a total mess. We're gonna go ahead and blend that out. I'm gonna grab my blending brush and I'm gonna start blending the top, just to make sure that everything is really nice and blended. Then I'm going to go back with a Morphe M166 brush, 166. And I'm going to add this corally orange shade on my crease, that on my brow bone. That's going to be my highlight color. So I'm going to bring that down. Don't worry, if we're going too down, we're going to go back and reapply the colors. I just want to take, like I said, I'm just trying to place the colors where I want them, and then I go back and fix everything. So I'm going to go back and reapply the colors, like I said. Where is the little brush that I used? I'm going to grab this weird brush. I have no idea. I'm going to apply some setting spray. And I'm going to go ahead and apply this silver white eyeshadow. That one's going to go in the tear duct area. That's going to make everything pop. So then I'm going to go back again and reapply all the shades I applied, just because I got fallout and all that. So I kind of just want to touch everything up. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this color here first. I'm going to go back, grab more, and kind of pack it on. Okay, then I'm going back again with that blue, spray some setting spray, and apply that center color again. Okay, I think we're good with that one. Then I'm going back with that blue again, apply some setting spray, go back and reapply it. I think I'm good with that. Going back again with the orangey shadow, going back and touching that. So I don't know if you guys can see, you can see all the colors are coming in together. I'm gonna go ahead again and grab some of that pink and just a little bit on the outer corner. Go back with that same yellow, and I'm gonna go ahead and bring that yellow in with all of them just to help it all blend in together. Go back again with the orange shade and reapply it. And then go back again with that pink. And then go back again with that yellow, and then just blend everything out. Alright, so I'm going to go back again with that purpley burgundy color. Bring it back in because I'm missing it here. I clean out the fallout because I'm getting fallout. Alright. So for the bottom lash line, I'm going to do the same thing I did on the top. I'm going to do at the bottom. So I'm going to grab this weird brush, spray some setting spray on it, and then go ahead and apply this right in the inner corner. Alright, and then go back with that same blue again, where I apply this right in the center. And then go back with that blue and apply it right in the outer corner. There we go. I got eyelash glue on my finger. So I'm going to go ahead and apply my lashes. These lashes are very dramatic. These are from the Bold Makeup. I will link them down below for you guys if you guys are interested in getting some lashes from them. I do have a discount code with them, so definitely check them out. So I'm just going to let this dry a little bit. I got eyelash glue on my finger. Just going to clean this out a little bit. Don't tell me to shut up. Alright, so I'm just going to let this dry a little bit. I'm going to apply some mascara while I'm at it. I'm using the Bhcosmetics one, the new one. Just kind of to apply a little bit bottom and top while the lashes dry a little bit. I'll go ahead and apply my lashes. I got a little bit of mascara here. No. I love how this looks. It looks really nice. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit more pink here. Alright, so for lips, I'm just going to use this MAC, what is it? Lust Gloss, lip gloss. So this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to get your hands on this palette using my code prettygrace for some money off. It has so many beautiful colors and so many things you can come out doing with this. I really hope you guys enjoy this dramatic look. I want to thank you guys again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like this video. I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.